Good evening everyone. I am here to speak about my topic India. India is a great country. There are many people living in India. The national word of India, because the national song of India, Vande Mataram, the national anthem of India, Jangar Mangal. I like to live in India. There are many people living in India. There are 18 biosphere reserve in India. There are 28 states in India. There are 7 units in India. There are many forests in India. The first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Present Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. That's all about my topic.
Good evening everyone, my name is Adil Rathore. I am here to speak about my topic, India. India is a famous country. The first Prime Minister of India, Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The present Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. India is a famous country. I like to my country. I live in India. There are many forests in India. There are many villages in India. There are 28 states in India. There are 9 calm states in India. There are 156 nuclear bombs in India. There are 153 international airport in India. There are 600 fighter planes in India. The national language in India is Hindi. The national anthem is India. Jangal Mangal. The present Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. India is a very big country. India is a very beautiful country. That's all about my topic. Thank you.
My name is Sanchandra. I am here to speak about my topic, India. India is very beautiful country. We have many population in India, 140 crore population in India. We have many temples in India. India is Delhi is capital of India. Uttar Pradesh state of Uttar Pradesh is largest state of India. Mr. Ramnath Kovind, President of India. Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, Prime Minister of India. I like to live in India. There are 28 states in India. Mr. Amit Shah, Home Minister in India. We have many festivals in India. The national word of in India, because the national song of India, Vande Mataram, the national sweet of India, Jalebi. Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, father of India, India's first, second, third, fourth Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mr. Gulzarnanda, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Muslim caste like to live in India. The national flag of India, Tiranga. India is 7th largest country of India. That all about me.
I am here to present the topic India. India is very big, India is very beautiful, and 8 states in India. The national anthem is India, Jangal Mangal. The national song is India, Vande Mataram. The national animal is India, tiger, and the national flower is India, lotus. And any village is India. Any people live in India. There are any commandos in India, and there are any soldiers in India. That's all about the topic. Thank you.